Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Designer Dollar and welcome to my channel. And today we will make or we will create a vintage type of packaging label. So this is the design you can see here. So if you new in my channel, and definitely consider subscribing and let me know what you want to see or learn in the next video or in the future video. So I'm very happy to have you and let's get started. So you can see that this is the design, the level design, vintage level design, and this is absolutely clean and minimal and obviously a professional design. So you can use it for your cosmetic products or very organically. You can use it cosmetic bottle design, level design, or you can use it very commercial purposes. So let's create a new document. So I'm using the latest version of Adobe Illustrator. You can make it whatever you have. You can also make it or create it in the Adobe Illustrator 10 version, 64-bit. Okay, this is absolutely the latest version of Adobe Illustrator CC. So let's create a document. Control N, or you can go to the file, then new. Okay, let's create an artboard. Let's say I am using not very far. I will go with 2000 and 2000 pixel artboard. Obviously you don't need bleed anymore because this is not a printing yes, this is a printing design, but it doesn't necessary to use the bleed. Okay, color mode, you can use it CMYK or I'm using the RGB color. Okay, then hit the create button. Now this is a very fresh window. Now we can make it here. And now we have to before starting this design, we have to create or download some of the elements of the design. First we have to we need to create, or you can download it from the free stock site, that's called freepik.com. So if you need this kind of elements or this kind of definitely comment in the you can comment it in my description, then I will provide you the link of this. Okay, let's copy it and drag it here. Okay, this is the organic mint, because I will create mint, raspberry mint handprint. Okay, and let's drag some words or typography, because this is very essential to make a design. It will help you a lot. Okay, so here look at here, because this is very important, the typography. I'm using some of the latest typography, or some of the vintage typography, or typefaces, you can call it again. So first, the Starcast is the name of the company. So the Starcast name or typeface should go with the Adele. So you can find in the internet, and definitely this is totally a free font, so you can download it totally free of cost. And then nature is the typeface name is painter personal use only. You can also, this is not a commercial typeface, you can also download it totally free. Then next, the raspberry mint, it is the next light. We all are, or we all the designers can easily recognize the typeface, because the Nexa light is very favorite to us, and we often using the we are often using the this type. And again, vegan and organic, the painter you personal use only this typeface. We gonna use it twice. Okay, let's make it center. Nice. So this is our typefaces, and we have to create the design. So first of all, we have to create a rectangular. Shift and alter. You can make it, resize it by proportionally. And next, I have to create two circles because I want to reshape it. Go to here, go to materials, design. Look at here, because we want to create the vintage design. So the level should be looks like this. So first I have to create the rectangular, then I have to create the elongated, the circular. So now let's put in here and then create a circle. So no, the circle you have to create, it doesn't mean that the circle should be very big. You can resize it and make it at your own taste. Okay, bring it the middle here, and also hold the alter button of your PC and then create here. Okay, now align them. You can also colorize them. By the way, if you don't look the color panel in here or on the right side of the software, you can go to the window, then hit the color button, and again the align button. You can look at here the control, the gradient, everything, every tools are situated here. You can access them from here. So it is very easily to use. Easy to use. Okay, fine. Let's align them in the middle. Okay, now I have to okay, fine. No, okay. Now grab all the shapes, or you can before dragging the shapes, you can let's say copy one side of it, because we want to create non-destructively. Okay, fine. Let's shift M, and then using the C shape builder, I can add, or I can unite them all. Okay, fine. Then hold the direct selection tool. You can grab it from here, direct selection tool. Then select all the shapes and round them. Okay, not too much, just a slide. Okay, fine. Now this is quite good, and it looks very professional. Precisely, it is done very precisely. Okay, now you have to colorize them. So I can colorize some off-white color. I color it. Okay, fine. Next, Control C and Control F. The shortcuts I am using for Control C for copy, and Control F stand for copy in font. Okay, fine. Now I don't need the shape and like the fill. I want to reshape it like the stroke. So go to the stroke again. If you don't find them or find it here, you can go to the window, and let's say here the stroke, or the keyboard shortcut is Control F plus F10, the function key, the function 10. You can also grab it here, and now click on the dash line, and after clicking the dash line, you can write down these numbers. The dash line size should go with the 50, and the gap should go with the 20 points, and the weight you can write it or give it 10. Okay, now look, it is very professional. It looks very professional, and I am happy to see. And now this is the part of the typography. So you can grab it and copy it here, or you can write them. So I'm not going to write them, because if I write them, the video will go a long and far away, and the video length will go very nasty. Okay. Okay, thank you. So grab them and bring in the font, hold down the Ctrl Shift and the third button open, and it is all the way, and make it group, Ctrl G, and select two of them and bring it the middle. Okay, that's cool. Now resize this typography, something like that. Okay, and now grab another typography, the hand cream and the 50 ml. Okay, now you can bring it here and align them, and also okay, bring it the middle. Okay, and make it small. Okay, and the 500 ml should go with here, and make it small also. Zoom in. Every time when you are going to make a design, make sure you are zooming enough, because it will help you a lot. Bring it the middle. Okay, fine, that's cool, and bring it up. See, okay, make it here, direct selection tool, then press the V. Okay, and now star cast. Okay, everything looks very professional, and I am very happy when I see my designs. You can also make it after learning from my videos. I appreciate. Okay, and now the designs are all done. Just one thing we have to do, that the organic mint, we have to bring it here and then make it small. Give a some small details in your design, so that the designs looks very professional. Okay, and bring it the middle. Okay, sorry, bring it here. Oh no, bring it here. Okay, now it is high time to colorize them. First select these shapes and color them. Oh, sorry. Yes, and the stroke color should go with white. Yes, and the fill color should go with white also. Okay, let's see the real design. Okay, white. Okay, make a rectangular and bring them all the way to behind, and the color should go with. Okay, now this is the main part, white. Sorry. Oh no, click on it and click on the pure black. Okay, now see this stroke none. Okay, now lock the selection and select all the shapes and the typo. Now you can feel the vintage kind of design, and also you can use it all of your use it to all of your designs, the level designs. Tweak some of the things that look at here. I have created some typo that's called O, so you can bring it more big, that okay, natural, and create a rectangular yes, sorry, we don't need dash lines. Okay, and also we don't need stroke. The white color should go with black, very thin. Okay, and also you can ungroup all of the typo and remove. Oh, now bring it here and make it big. This is optional, you can avoid it or ignore it, but as I said my designs, the previous designs, so that I don't want to confuse you, so this is the design, and you can pick some colors. Okay, now that's good, everything is all right. Okay, so after this design you can also make it big to see the perfect design. Okay, now, so I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if so, smash the like button, and definitely if you have any query or questions, write down in the comment section and share with your friends and family more and more. Okay, see you in the next term, and you can also write the comment section that what you want to see or learn in the future video. Okay, that's great, and keep smashing, keep designs, and be creative. Bye bye.